The Anne is Sustainder's pole-top luminaire and comes ready to install. What you need: wrench, Phillips screwdriver, Torx screwdriver, be aware that you don't open the cassette while there is voltage on the luminaire. If you have ordered the Anne without a connecting cable, open the cassette at the top. Do this by unscrewing the cassette. You will now see two connectors in the cassette. One is for the power supply and the other is for the LED board. To connect the cable, first insert it through the cable blade at the bottom of the luminaire. Make sure that about 25 centimeters of cable sticks through into the cassette. Next, connect the brown line, live, to the connector marked L, the blue line, neutral, to the connector marked N, and the earth line, yellow and green, to the attachment point at the bottom and screw the connector tight. Thread any remaining cable through the cable blade and tighten it. The power cable is now connected. Close the cassette by replacing it in the housing and screwing the cover shut. The box states whether the luminaire inside doubles as a gateway. If so, you must ensure that this gateway luminaire is placed correctly in relation to the other luminaires in your network. A gateway unit is a central luminaire to which all the other luminaires send their data. You therefore need to place this luminaire as close to the center of your lighting system as possible. The Anne comes with various sensors as standard. The box indicates whether the luminaire inside contains additional custom sensors as well as the standard ones. If this is the case, you need to make sure that this luminaire is placed on the correct pole in the appropriate environment for the sensors it contains. Similarly, if you're employing different lenses optics in your luminaire network design, remember to place the correct luminaire on the correct pole. I'm now going to show you how to mount the Anne luminaire on a pole. First, drop the cable all the way to the bottom of the pole and then place the luminaire on top. It's important to make sure you place the luminaire in the correct position. You can check this by looking at the adjustment screws underneath the luminaire. These screws should be located on the road side of the pole, perpendicular to the road. This is important for the light pattern on the road and to prevent light pollution. Now turn the adjustment screws tight using a screwdriver. Once you are certain the unit is in the correct place and position, connect the cable to the fuse box at the rear of the pole. Want to know more about Sustainder's Smart City solutions? Please check Sustainder.com.